So much left to say before this moment slips away. A wonderful life for as long as you've been at my side, and I want you to know I loved you so. The cold night calls and the tears fall like rain. It's so hard letting go of the one thing I'll never replace. Soon you will be gone. These words they will live on. What a wonderful life for as long as you've been at my side, and I want you to know I miss you so. And though our days have come to an end, no, I'll never love like this again. What a wonderful life, my friend. All that I am, you let me be. I will remember you for all that you've done and given to me. Love will remain, this I can see, now and forevermore. Because of you, now I believe. Wonderful life for as long as you